back at it again. Shower up. It's Wild Ringo, let's go. That's Samuel L. Still trying to earn from it. You think after the prison time I probably learned from it. 100 grams all half, sure to see a turn from it. Crash course to hell, probably gon' burn from it. A couple pretty women begging me to show up. Won't let them spend the night, so they say I need to grow up. Old heads coming home, dying to get to know us. Held it down for years, the way I see it, you owe us. It wrecked to where it hurt, dog, I'm too hard. At the bar, knocking down shots like a two-guard. Not amazed by clothes, jewelry, new cars, turtle my head in and out, trying to duck a new charge. Fellas wanna hear more, women wanna date me. Role model to youngins, cougars trying to rape me. Bitter broads I won't blink, wanna mace me. Hating cats that feel that they better wanna replace me. Fucker. That's what the bros say. Name ringing like I shot a nigga in broad day. Suck me like the Last Supper, that's how my bro play. 2010 Jimmy Choo's, get out my Broadway. Razor Wild, we can all agree that he's the sharpest. What I'm saying is real, so I'm easier to market. No secondhand shopping, T's and B's are larking. Mint color coupe, cause it's easier to park it. Expect trouble, Ringo on his savage shit again. Still write it down, the boy is savage with the pen. Witness the richest nigga get splattered on his pants. Find out your favorite rapper ratted on his friends. While y'all on that back street mumbling with the dicks, I'm over east in the kettle, slumming with the pits. They love you when it's easy, hate you when it's hard. I'm doing this for my niggas in Stateville, Menard, come on. Bad judgment, bad mistakes, bad when his hands clean, bad when he play. He take her home, she gon' be bad if she stay. He live it up, cause he might get bagged any day. Listen, I'm on that one shit, sleeping with a gun shit. Circle his block till I see him, you know that one shit. Had to quickly cut all ties with that one bitch. Do a lot of nagging and bickering, that dumb shit. Lost a couple gram, I made it back on one shift. Fiends feeling like they gon' pass out after one hit. Two bad divas getting along in one tip. One boy buses with big bundles in one strip. Make the package huge, can only afford one trip. Whole squad to feed they family off of one trip. Find ourselves in front of a grand jury for one slip. All they need is accurate testimonies from one lip.
I told you motherfuckers, man, this our summer. I wasn't lying, man. Brain dead, ENT, noodle knockers. We in this motherfucker, man. Chicago, stand up.